YouTube, So Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing, another review. Once again, this shoe, long awaited shoe. Purchased this shoe back in April 7th or 6th for $160. And the deal was you buy the shoe and you wait months, approximately August, around there, August 10th. And you would receive the order. This shoe is coming straight from Nike Hong Kong. Straight from the swoosh people. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Alright, as you see, different packaging. I'm not going to lie, I kind of like this packaging. It came all the way from Hong Kong, like I said. And it actually came, I got the notification and it arrived in 2 days, right after I received the notification. I did go ahead and open it right quick to spare you guys that part. Alright, as you see, they literally packed it. Okay, so here we go. As you see, the dot swoosh logo on the box. Definitely. Okay, little top piece, pretty sweet. And ladies and gentlemen, as you see it, and wow, pretty nice. Today on the table we do have a dot swoosh box. As you see, we are talking about a Air Max 1 Big Head mode in dark smoke gray. Alright. Take a look at the box real quick a little bit. See if there's any, too much there. Some of the new logos. Okay. Alright, nothing spectacular. But I'm checking out tissue paper. See if there's any hitting messages. New. See anything? Check that out later. Alright, let's have a first look. Ooh. Yes. Beautiful. Set to the side for right now. You know how we do. Oh yeah, okay. Let's not spoil it. Alright, let's take a look at the box size. Box size is going to be 320 by 200 by 110. Okay, I'm not seeing any other stamps, stickers, YCM, nothing. Alright, top view as you see it. Nike Air Max Big Head mode. Weird name. I kind of forgot because it's been since April what these were all about. I believe 007. I'm not too sure. That's why they have the bullseye mark there for the N64 game. I'm not too sure. I kind of forgot, but there's been so many drops that so many folklore on shoes and stuff like that. It's hard to remember a lot of them. But yeah, let's start off with the back here. So you see Nike Air with the radiant colored on the side right there. And this right here is it's not leather. It's like, it is a cloth material. Don't know what it's called, but pretty sweet. This feels like leather, somewhat nubuck. And the whole shoe feels the same way. It's got that shiny satin feel to it. As you can see, swoosh looks like it's leather. Double swoosh behind there looks like it's leather as well. Let's take a look at the air bubbles. Oh, in black. Nice. 3. See the 3s? Look at the bottom with the splattered. You can see some of that white material. Gold shoelace, also fat tongue, fat tongue. Definitely fat tongue. I don't know if you can see that. Take a look at the toe box. Toe box does have some of that pattern from the paper. Also, it's got like this dual color effect. You see here. Okay. Right at the toe box. Gold Nike swoosh. Pretty nice. Alright, well, let's take a look at what's inside. Of course, paper shoe tree. Alright, let's see here. Try to loosen some of these laces up real quickly. Alright, I went ahead and loosened some of the laces real quick. It does say era. I don't know, I can't make that out. Somebody can help me out there. But as you see it, again, it's got this gold pattern to it. Also on the shoelace section here. Also a little gold metallic feel to it. Straight down, tongue is all that. And inside of the tongue, you have a rated by everybody stitched on the inside. And again, this tongue is chunky. It is fat. The tongue is fat. Full of air. I'm not too sure what's up with that, but okay. You do see a sticker on side, you know. I believe that's how it comes overseas. Alright. Nike Bullseye. Let's see what kind of, I believe it's going to be the Ortho Light. Oh no. Wow. Okay, so there is actually no. Okay, well, it's got the Nike branding on there, I guess. Does have some numbers on there, some letters. Looks like it says AM1, M7.5, or by 2, something like that. Okay. Take a look at the sole. That barbed wire, or should I say diamond steel look to it, I believe. Pretty nice. Take a look at the inside. And it has hidden stitching, of course. Definitely not going to be able to see that. It's hidden under a hard layer. Pink dots on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Alright. LN2 factory. Says LN2 factory. Date code is 10/04/2024 and April or 04/1825. Wow. So if they made these already in April, why did they sit and hold them so long? So confused. Anyways, beautiful shoe, you know, different. I mean, honestly, I'm not seeing what the big deal is over this shoe, other than the long wait. I mean, we literally had to wait several months to get this shoe after you paid for it. Pretty wild. And it's really not spectacular. I mean, the shoe looks like an Air Max. But other than that, I could tell with the, the subtle design features and stuff like that, the color blocking. I get it, it's nice, neat. Take a look at the other shoe real quick. See if there's any differences or anything that stands out. Looks like it's the same. And there you have it, the literally long awaited months Nike Air Max Big Head Mode. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.